Paying your Spectrum mobile bill online is convenient and secure. You have two primary methods, the Spectrum mobile app and the Spectrum website. Let's start with the Spectrum mobile app. First, download the app from the App Store or Google Play. Then, log in using your Spectrum ID or My Spectrum account. Once logged in, navigate to Billing and Payments, then Pay Bill. You can select your preferred payment method, such as a credit card, digital wallet like Apple Pay or Google Pay, or bank account. The app supports multiple payment methods and offers features like viewing your bill, checking payment history, and disputing charges. Security features include biometric authentication with fingerprint or facial recognition and two-factor authentication. Now for the Spectrum website at spectrum.net. Access the website and go to My Account, then Billing, and finally make a payment. This browser-based method is compatible with Chrome, Safari, and other browsers. It allows for both one-time and recurring payments. A key feature is the Bill Analyzer tool, which breaks down your charges for increased transparency, such as data usage versus voice.